Hi, everybody. It's Dr. Chabot. This is a very short, quick check-in video with some really important advice for success in this course. So we are finishing up week one, and I've noticed that the tendency is to put off even starting the assignment until, kind of right before it's due. And that's normal, of course. Every student does that. But the problem is that that's not how learning physics works. Like, it has to be spread out. So my concern there is that you're completing the assignment, maybe you're starting to understand things, but you're not having time to sit with it and get help from feedback from me about the assignment or things you might not have understood before you're taking the quiz. So what I'm going to do is have the quizzes due the day after the assignments are due. So that way, if you do decide to put off doing the assignment until the deadline, you're not forced to take the quiz immediately on material that you haven't yet feel like you've mastered or had time to go to an office hours with me to get some feedback and to talk through some things that don't make sense. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to share my screen. And what we see here is just some quick advice for succeeding in this course. As I've said before, learning physics is a process. If you try to do it all at once, you're going to hit what's called cognitive overload, where you're going to basically just be overwhelmed with the material, and it's so much information that maybe you can get to the understanding level, but you certainly can't get to the applying level, which is what you're assessed on in the quizzes and beyond. And that's where we need to be able to get you. So having some time to sit with the material. If you're not able to work on the assignments ahead of time, then hopefully giving the quiz the next day, that will allow you time to check in with me, to get some questions answered about what you weren't understanding and not feeling rushed to take that quiz. But remember that you're trying to spread out the time in which you're processing this material. It's very important. A lot of times, you might end up feeling haggard, overwhelmed, frustrated. All of those things inhibit learning. So do what you can with your time management, spread it out, and definitely please sign up for the office hours. Come to help. This is an online course. If it was in person, I would be seeing you 7 hours a week, every week, working with you, getting, that feedback. And that's really critical for success. And I can provide that in this online environment, but you need to reach out and ask for help. So just one last quick slide. This is my basic advice. Complete the assignment. Ideally spread out, but if not, okay, ask for help, sit with it, think about what you don't understand, process, self-reflect, a lot of those really important learning steps that get you to where you need to be to actually succeed in this course. And then take the module quiz after you've done the self-check and after, you've asked for help. Quizzes are substantial. They are 20% of your final course grade. So you really want to do well on them. Remember, it is possible to have a basic understanding of all the material in this course and not pass the course because you are not assessed on your understanding. You're assessed on your higher level of learning, getting to the applying level. I am here to help you. All right, so with that, let me know, of course, if you have any questions. You'll see the new format for signing up for office hours. I've tried to make it really easy so you can find, hopefully, a slot that works for you. Send me an email if those slots just don't work for you, you have a job, whatever, or you're a different time zone, and we'll find something, we'll make something work. All right, have a good day.